Here I have my Stanley cup pouch bag. This is actually compatible with any cup from 20 to 40 ounces. It is so cute. Look at the beautiful designs. Obsessive cup disorder. Many of us. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up and just show you the inside. It does have a zipper up top. Take a look at the large capacity on the inside. It does have a little pouch also right here on the inside. So you could put anything that you like, your cell phone, some cards, whatever the case might be, but it is pretty large, so it does hold quite a bit of space. So I'm going to go ahead and close it up and then show you the belt. So this is a Velcro style belt. I'm going to go ahead and take it out just to show you. It's an anti-slip belt, so this is what's going to be attached to the bottle, so it's not going to be sliding up and down. Once you get it on the bottle, you want to go ahead and place this through the little loop right here. Super cute. Once you have it on, just bring it around and then the Velcro will just hold it in place. Super cute. It goes on the side of your cup. I will be showing you some examples of what it looks like. And then here on the side, it does have a little pouch so you could put your AirPods. So I actually have mine right here. So I'm going to put them in there just so you could take a look. It could hold your AirPods too. So this is great to take along on the road trip with you, take it to the gym. Super great. So I do have 3 different cup styles just to show you how easy this is to use. Of course, I love my pet. So a lot of doggies. I love my dog. And then this tumbler right here. So I'm going to show you just how simple it is to add 2 different style tumblers. So again, take it out, wrap it around. And again, this fits with any tumbler from 20 to 40 ounces. So then once you get it nice and snug, you want to just go ahead and pull it back and then attach it to the Velcro. And just like that, it is nice. It is holding. If your tumbler does have a holder, you just go ahead and take it on the go with you. It does have this little clip right here as well, but this will hold, like I said, your phone and other items with it. So this one, take it off. It's a great thing that you could use this with so many different style tumblers, especially if you're like me, you have a lot of cups around the house. You never have one too many cups. There you go. Simple as that. A different tumbler and it is on there. I'll add it on the last one. And once you get this on there, it is not going anywhere. It's not sliding up and down. Take a look. And like I said, you could put any other items in here, your chapstick, your phone. I would definitely recommend. Super cute. 10 out of 10.